How to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard. So if you want to fix some keys not working on your laptop keyboard, then what you need to do is just simply go with the settings. Now under settings, you just need to simply go with Windows Update and Security, or you may go with Privacy and Security. And here you may find an option of Troubleshoot, or if you don't find it, then just simply go with Search and search for Troubleshoot. Go with Troubleshoot settings. Now go with other troubleshooters, and here you will have the keyboard option under your troubleshoot. You just need to simply go with the right side and run your keyboard troubleshooter. Once you run your keyboard troubleshooter, then your problem may be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then again go with your settings, and here on the search, you need to search for filter keys, or just simply go with system. Under system, you need to search for keyboard, or just search for filter keys, and here you will have your filter keys. And if it is turned off, then you just need to simply go and turn it on. And if it is turned on, you need to go and turn it off. And after that, you need to restart and your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply again go with the accessibility and then keyboard and go with on-screen keyboard and just toggle on the on-screen keyboard. Once you toggle it on, then you'll be able to have this on-screen keyboard. You can use your on-screen keyboard if your keyboard doesn't work. And after that, just simply go with your device manager, search for device manager. And once it loads, you need to go with keyboard, enlarge the keyboard, and here you will have your keyboard. Just right click on it, go with the update driver, search automatically for drivers. And if it says that Windows has already installed the best driver for this device, then it's okay. But if it is not, then you can go with the next step and proceed. So that will fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.